Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to recover lost work in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. What you have, basically, this happens a lot and this can occur to you most probably. This can happen very often in Blender. So in this video I'll show you how you can recover your lost files. So what you have to do basically is just go to File. Okay, let me enable this. File, and then and File, and now go to Recover, and here Recover, and then Last Session or Autosave. Go to Autosave, and here you have your files. If you worked on a project and suddenly Blender crashed, here you'll be able to see your last work. As you can see, I have some couple of files here, and at this time, if you check and if you click on it, you will open this file, and that's basically how you recover your file. Just click on it and you'll recover your file. Click here, recover auto file, or just double click, and then you can save your file and recover your work. So I hope, guys, this video saved you time. I hope this video saved you, and I hope this helped you, because I know how annoying it is to lose your work, and that's awful, I know, but you know, I hope this video helped you. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.